Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, I have already started decorating the Christmas tree. So I'm going to share with you all the finishing touches as well as a few tips on how you can achieve this look as well. So as you can see here, I have two sets of sprays. One set I got this year and the other set I had from last year. I'm just going to use them as a tree topper. During the video, I did not have enough, so the next day I went to go get some more of the green and they were out, so I decided to go with a warm gold, you'll see later on in the video, as well as a really bright silver. I've already spreaded the sprays out and I'm just going to insert them into the tree in a sporadic pattern, mainly focusing on putting the bulk of them in the center of the top portion. Okay, so now I'm going to start working with the mint color sprays. They are a little bit shorter, so I'm going to start from the top and work my way down, putting them in the tree in a diamond shaped pattern. By the way, I got a new step ladder, got it from Home Depot for $9.99, regular price $29.99. So now let's create a cluster of ornaments. So basically you just take a pipe cleaner. You can get those from Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree. I chose to use white because the tree is flocked, so I don't have to wrap it with any of the floral tape. So we're just going to create a nice cluster. This is really good when you need a long ornament or even a larger ornament to kind of hide an open space. So that's what you see me doing here. Just going to wrap it right on the tree, and I'll take some scissors and cut the excess pipe cleaner off. Want to do the same thing this time using only two ornaments. So you put it on the pipe cleaner, wrap, put another one on, and you wrap it again. That way you're securing them in place. They won't slide down the pipe cleaner. Here I'm going to use the same technique with a larger ornament. We're just going to do one in this case. I need a longer stem so I can have the ornament drop where I need it to drop, where there's no, I would say, no limb for me to attach it to. Okay, so I purchased 3 of these sprays from Hobby Lobby. They were $6 with the 50% off. So I'm just going to place one on each side in the top, and then I'll place one in the very center towards the back of the spray. Now these are a little bit heavier and bulkier, which is needed for closing that center gap all the way up. So I'm just going to place 2 in the top of the tree. I'll spread them out a little bit later, and that's going to finish off the topper. Now, if I was decorating this tree for someone, I would probably use the zip ties to hold the pieces in place so they won't move. But since it's my own personal tree, I'm just going to place them where I want them, and they should be fine. All right, so let's talk about tree skirts. I'm one of the ones who never really liked to buy tree skirts because I felt like you couldn't see them anyway once you put all the presents down. So I am going to put something under the tree. I did buy a tree collar this year, and I've used them in the past, and I do love the tree collars, but I don't know what I'm going to use this year. So I'm just going to show you an idea that I discussed in my haul for this tree decor. which was using those sprays or tree branches and put them on the bottom of the tree. You can also take them up or down, so you'll see me displaying that as well. Another thing I've done to eliminate a tree skirt is to pull that bottom row of your tree, the branches, pull them closer to the floor, and just put your ornaments on the tree closer to the floor as well. Just droop them all through the bottom part of the tree. All right, you guys, this is coming to the end of the video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already and you like videos like these, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post videos. I hope this video inspired you, motivated you, and gave you some ideas that you can use in your own home. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to turn on your notification because I am going to come back and bling some of the ornaments as well as finish decorating the space, so you don't want to miss when I post those videos. Thanks again for watching.